Obingelela baba uDokotela baba Sizwe baba uJabulile Mfana omuhle nje ngehlela umzukulu kaMancengezi. Baba uDokotela uyashutha namhlanje sebhilidini Nedbank House Building sise dark room studio number 1 19th floor 1904 to 1905 igama lomgaqo sekuona it is 30 Albert Street in Nedbank House Building. Baba uDokotela uzomthola lapho every Sundays asisebenzi. Angikuveze lokho baba uDokotela njengenyanga inyanga yami leka May ukuthi ngihambe ngephesheya, meaning that first week of June we are not going to have videos. It is on thumelela ngoba azobe sephilile. Bakithi namhlanje ngine topic engifuna unika yona. Ithi bath with bush knife. Le topic lena izokhulumisa futhi. Njengoba nje sisenyangeni ebandayo. This is winter. Ngingakusho ke lokho, ngigqamise manje ukuthi wena as a human being we are not ready for ukuthi kube yihlobo. We are not ready because ama challenges esummer they are vast compared to ama challenges ewinter. Ewinter kunezinto ongazenza ngoba kusuke kubanda. Izingane ziye beach because kusuke kubanda. Abantu abafuna ukudla out ebusuku ngoba kuyabanda. Yabo, kunezinto eziningi njengoba kubusika o retreat kuzona. You always get home early because kusheshe kube emnyama. Kodwa indlela obroke ngayo ufana nomnyango wesonto. Indlela obroke ngayo njengamanje ufana nomnyango wesonto. Lento oyiyona, believe me, it will cause you a headache ngo December because you already know ukuthi ngo September yipi inyanga kwenzekani ngo September. Imapha ama challenges azobe khona. We going to October. Izingane ziyabhala October, November umatric uyabhala. Sik December quickly. Ama expenditure okuwona manje they will tripled. Mengene summer. Indlela obroke ngayo wena oyithatha serious lento uthatha sangathi normal but it is spreading like cancer. I-poverty. Wena uyazama uyi-enjoy lento you should not enjoy it. I-poverty it is your sartanus. Is that ufuna ngichaze sartanus what it means? Hayi. Sartanus means adversary. Sartanus it is Latin. That means adversary. There are things njengamanje that is your adversary for you to prosper and walk away from this demise of poverty that you are encountering now. Akekho umuntu ozokucabangela because ela ikhande lakho licabanga thina sikucabangele. We don't see ourselves sicabangela wena. Kodwa siyakutshela the way o relaxe ngayo. This winter bekufuze mekuqala lobusika freeze everything because it is cold. Your friends. Abangani by toxic and pollution to our success. They are the ones who are holding us back to our success and prosperity. Your wife, it is your number one cause for you to remain poor. I can prove it. Test me if I'm wrong. Tell your wife that you want to do a diploma. You want to register to do a diploma. Your wife will ask why, because you are already old. Your wife is jealous in a sense that she just doesn't want you to earn even extra at work because uzokonywa. Because you will have girlfriends. Because you will start to support your mother who has diabetics at home. She is comfortable for the fact that you are not sending money to your parents. She is the one who doesn't want to see you doing better things. She is comfortable now since you are just working, doing nothing much. But if you are telling your wife that since imali yami stokfela izophuma, ngifuna ukwenza ucode 14, ubuza ukuthi for what? Usufuna ungalali ke ekhaya manje ulala ematracking nidla izifebe. Into yazileyo nje odla izifebe ematracking. Your wife cannot tolerate seeing you having money. You are okay where you are. Yena imali akayisweli. Ungena ngepali awisa amakhonzi avuke no500 wena umi ngeqiniso uholela imali engenamsebenzi kodwa yena uhleze enemali ngoba uyakwazi ukuthi ufuna imali angene ngo-reverse emapalini. Engisho ukuthi njengoba kubusika nje kunento ekufuna uzifreeze. Kunento efuna uzifreeze and your girlfriend she does nothing kuwena ngaphandle kokutshela ukuthi ufelwe ifoni, ingane yakhe iyagula, ubaba wengane yakhe usevesene nje wambophisa ngoba nje akafuni ukuthi ohlangene naye and nje akasafuni ukuthi ngoba uqonda ukuthi ufuna ukuhlangana nawe ngokwezimali. And those are the things that we have to freeze. Ngakho tshela into eziningi abangani bakho abatshela into eziningi, your girlfriend ungayitshela izinto eziningi, and try to limit your friends as much as you can afford to in order for your summer to be summer. In order for your summer to be summer, there are things that you are telling people sebejealous ngazo. Sebejealous ngazo. I am ubaba udokotela baba wesizwe bojabule. Since I afford to go to overseas twice a month, twice a year, 3 times a year if I want to, there are people who have distanced themselves completely from me. Abasho ukuthi imali ngiyithatha bathi kanti wenzani phesheya. Bayazi ukuthi kufuneka ucrown. Bayazi kufuneka inyuka. Bona bathi wenzani phesheya. Awuyaphesheya futhi. Yiphesheya ngempela la uyakhona. What do you mean iphesheya ngempela? Mengithatha eKatar Airline ngeSwazini. This time ngihamba ngeflight Emirates. Ngiyaphi umucabanga wena sithini ngeSwazini sithini kwena? Yabo. Uma ngiconfirm ama reservation amahotela engiyakuona kuthini mengithi ngeAnasaga Lake ubambani ngokwelokishi. Ise India lapho. Mengithi ngeDoha iOrkanti leyo. IDoha ayikho ngakini. Akho ngisho inja ngakini uDoha. Akho ngisho i-tech shop ama-Parkstar ekuthiwa iQatar. Engisho ukuthi kunabantu mina sebezidistancile. Ever since they did that, I am going towards my direction because I don't want amakhaza engiwezwe this winter ukuthi kufike uSeptember ngisagodola ngigodolisa ukuthi winter was bad. This is Babu Dokotela baba wesizwe bojabulile for pleasure khehle lomlungu. Ngifuna ukukutshela nje lento lena. Bantu bakithi kunomuntu njengamanje ebank uno 30,000 uzayitshela athi ngu-investile awukwazi uinvest 30,000 awukwazi ukuinvesta u30,000 1 million i-interest yakhona 6,000 50,000 i-interest yakhona u3,000 uyabamba ngokwelokishi 25,000 i-interest yakhona it's 1,500 yini lo investile u15,000 yini lo uyi-investile kunomuntu manje ono 50,000 rand awungawu-investanga athi ubekile usacabangela we can bet money kuzoshaya uSeptember lo mali isihistory kuyena kuzoshaya uSeptember lo mali isihistory kuyena anyone now ono 50,000 kulo 50,000 ngingathi mina nginika wona ngikhandele into ka 37,000 usala nefloat ngikunikeze into ezokuvumela ukuthi April ngiyaphesheya futhi ngiya eIraq singahamba nawo se-Iraq because we uzo afford ngoSeptember mina ngithenga ithikithi lokhu Iraq September I'm going to Iraq. Kudumani kuwena ngiya e-Iraq ngizoqala e-Egypt Alexandra City faka inyawo ku-Mediterranean Sea faka izandla ku-Mediterranean Sea yangizwa ukuthi ngithini awukwazi ukwenza lokho kodwa wena namhlanje lo 50,000 ubona ukuthi umuntu istable lo 50,000 ikhontezo wena kuzoshaya uSeptember uthi babudodela isekhona into esikhwama semali ngithi mina isekhona kodwa siyabiza manje na anginawo 50 ukhuluma njengamanje nginawo 15 ingaza njani uthini ngikudiscountele ngenza njani uthini kumina ngiyakutshela ke manje lo mali lekuzoshaya isikhathi engekho shalo mali engekho angeke ngikunike into owazi ukuthi ngalo mali wenza into esidla kushaya leso sikhathi le mase bethi hayi singakwazi ukuya eIraq soqala eEgypt. Babudodela ish phela kuyaphesha kufuna imali. No, because into esikuzibeka emqondweni kuwena, we want you to buoyant. Oh my goodness, I want you to buoyant from the current financial situation. Buoyant, I have to explain buoyant now. How I will explain buoyant kubantu abadelela othisha? Wofunda esikoleni nombese wena, ublo mbese namhlanje. Kwazi ake definition yale ngikutshela yona ikwazi, keep ikori ikwazi, ungitshela answer uthi thini, ikwazi. Ublo mbese ophatha esikoleni nawo. Buoyant utshelwa inyanga eno standard 6. Form 1 mina. Yakutshela buoyant usho ukuthi anything that is floating without intention to sink. If it sinks, it buoyants on its own, it bounces back. Like a ball, football, you cannot sink it because it does not just float, but it's buoyant. You understand? That is why ibhola buoyant, but umkhumbi is not buoyant, it is floating. Do you know why umkhumbi is floating? Because it has engines. When you switch off the engines, it will sink from the back. And then it show in your pants. Because umkhumbi is not buoyant, it is floating. I don't want you to float, I want you buoyant. Uphume kuleya nto leya. Uphume kuleya nto leya. This is Baba Dr. Baba says about Jabul Father pleasure khehlela umzulu abangisi. Uyazi bakithi ngizoke ngikhulume lento. Sekunabantu besilisa. I don't want to say they are gigolos. Gigolos. How you spell gigolo, Baba Dr.? That's it. Gigolo. S. That is how you spell gigolos. I'm not telling the definition of the word gigolos because there are children who are watching this thing. Kunabantu besilisa abangama Romeo. Abeza kuwena with the tendency ukuthi you are 5 years older, they'll give you love that you are missing for your age mate. Afike lo mfana uneminyaka u46. Uphethe uthando leqiniso. Uphethe uthando leqiniso. Wena uya 59 years old, ya 62 years old, utshela ukuthi lo mntwana lo mfana lona othi uhlala nomoya ngane abashadile bla 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 ngoba umoya ngane akamhlonipha akamazi ukuthi uyini. Wena uyamhlonipha okudlula umoya ngane yakhe kanti uyi-antiza kuyena. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Uyi-antiza kuyena. Uma efika lo mfana into aqala nje ayenza futhi uma efika kuwena afika plug iketelo. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Uthi efika beplug iketelo. Abe thatha iomo noma isefa ijikele ke endishini. Thatha iketelo liphonse lapha yana ahamba okugeza inyawo. Into wena indoda yakho isaphila ingazi yenze le nto. This boy is 44 years old. Ugeza inyawo ngeomo, shaya igwebo ligcwale, geza aqalele ihluzi nehle nabageza. Athi ukuthi ugeza inyawo bezinani, athi lena eyisula khona ishaya umoya kamnandi. That is a Romeo. That is a Romeo. Into azoyenza ke manje uzokukhanda ikhadi lakho lasebank, alishuthe ngaphambili, alishuthe ngemuva. Njengoba nihleli naye. Mase elforward eAlbert Park. Mase ekhanda inamba yakho, ayiforward eAlbert Park, aqhubeka ahlale nawe, mase efaka ifoni ku silence. Mase lokho ekutshela ukuthi indlela akuthanda ngayo, akuphephethe indlebe ngapha, uthi kodwa sicela uvune isicefe. Kodwa uvune isicefe. Uvune isicefe akuphephethe indlebe ngapha. Ameseshini ethi sifaka amafoni ku silence. Kanti useyifakile yakho ku silence, mase sefaka neyakhe ku silence, athi ayifunde ezosiphazamisa, avala amakhethini emini ngathi akukho umuntu. Aqa ye-air condition. Ithi ekhona ehlisa iTV, ithi bhanya bhanya nihleli kosofa ba 60,000 bakho ababizayo nakanabo. Lo mfana akuhambe ngeayini ngeayini. Le ayini lakhe liyistory, uzohamba iround out uzoyenza 1 hour. Uzothi leqeda khona ikhadi lakho lizobe selikloniwe, sekuthengwa ngalo online izinto zangampela. The time niqhelelana naye, information ebifuneka isihack i-account yakho, isi-username, what they did by sim swiper. imi-sim swiper bangena ebhenki mebethenga online kufuneka i-OPT singena kubona imingena kubona sebeyidownloada same time la and bayathenga ayini abayithenga abadokotela bathenga amathaya emoto lezi ezincane amakhwidi nama-1400 bazothenga amathaya ka-350,000 amathaya kuphela azodeliver eRustenburg yena behlala eMdantsane address eRustenburg uma efika lamathaya iaddress ighost kunomuntu omene van lapha othi ukhiye asuboni kodwa bese uwehlisa amathaya ngoba vese uphethe iloku iwaybill number lo uyiphethe iproforma invoice iyaqondana yonke into uyayisayina ayehliswa ama-truck ayehliswa to afakwe le truck le iyasuka le truck iwahambisa straight eFree State kwi-client labo eliuqondile lamathaya amashe ngo-350 all they want 280,000 as cash i-discount ka-70,000 emathayeni evese naye bezofaka lamathaya bezodayisa 420,000 usewathola ngo-280 ngeke azawayeke la uqethuka khona wena mama uthi yoswipe vese decline donse i-credit card uhambe nge-credit card ikhanye i-credit card ungene kwi-app uthi angena ku-app ifuna i-OPT i-OPT ikhale kulamthaka awusakwazi ukungena ku-app yakho yangizwe ukuthi ngithini awusakwazi ukungena ku-app yakho ungene ebank bakutshela ukuthi bacela inamba ulinke ngayo uyikhwahle kuthiwa lo number la ayisebenzi leya number sebeyiblockile ayisasebenzi awusakwazi wena sekufuna ucreate delete i-app ubanike enye inamba ngoba leya number isiyiqiniso ayisakusebenzeli wena isivesi senje uthi yathola kuthengwe amathayi ka-350,000 kudepend ukuthi ekhadini kunamalini bashaya imagazimamo kuphela mase deliver ophongolo yangizwe ukuthi kuthini ba deliver ophongolo bona bahlele winene ba deliver ophongolo ayahamba nihleli naye la lo kwanobhanyabhanya we-TV uthi mnike imali athi mina ngisengeqinisa angize ngothanda angizele imali yakho ngeke uzosola ukuthi ngabe uyena labafana ke sibakuza ukuthi ama-Romeo le Romeo leli into elizoyenza kuwena lizothi lifuna ukuthi nivakashe kubancane walo kumalume walo useMusina eLimpopo nimniye kumalume wakhe eMusina eLimpopo mase suka umalume wakhe ajabule kakhulu umalume wakhe athi it's the first time for my child to have somebody okwazi ukuyinakekela and then I will suggest ukuthi asiye take kuba mncane wakhe ngoba wakhe usashona now uthi wena ayanginayo imali yokuya lapho mina athi lo umalume uzokhokha yangizwe ukuthi ngithini lo mfana umalume wakhe uzomtransferela imali kwi-credit card yakhe lo mfana kwi-credit yakhe kade ngena imali kuzobe sengena imali engango-100,000 ku-credit card all into abazoyenza manje kushawa ama-visa kushawa yonke into amaphepha aqondiswa lo mfana mase ethenga ithikithi nge-credit card uma ethenga ithikithi nge-credit card automatically uqualifya kwi-traveling insurance yangizwe ukuthi ngithini uma uqualifya traveling insurance seniyanaye-ke manje kuphi eTurkey nohlangana nobamncane wakhe menifika lapha nisamlindile ubamncane ukhululekile aphinde futhi akuhambe nge-ayina ngoba phela kade waligcina i-ayina ikhehlade lashona hamba nge-ayina emva lokuthelela udrink and lo drink une-hygiene phakathi uma une-hygiene lo drink lo usezohamba na ngesikhathi niwela bese nakushaya kanje ushawe ibhasi ushone semthamo ngesikhathi ushawe ibhasi asenazokhala phezulu wakho uma ekhala phezulu wakho uzokuvala ukuphefumula la uyaqedela khala kunenyona ahamba nalo ishaya ivideo ukuthi what has happened indlela obekhala ngayo bekutshengisa ukuthi ngempela kanti ukuvala ukuphefumula ufuna ukuthi ukhwanje uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini uma ushona lo mfana lona ushaya inyuka ngawe gogo dadwethu ushaya inyuka elayithile ngoba ukuthathele i-travel insurance systematically uthenge nge-credit card ikhadi lakhe automatically waqualifya kwi-travel insurance umasheli ama-Romeos lawo ngicela ukuthi nikeni babheke labafana enitshela ukuthi banithanda inikeni babhekisise kahle ukhumule nje usale wedwa sibuka uyibuka ukuthi lo mfana yini la ithanda kuwena ngaphandle kwento lapho kuwallet yini le emzimbeni wakhe abuke wayithanda idlula ontanga bakhe wena unezihluzo ezisithe ezinkulu ezimnyama futhi nje unomthungo oyibridge osuka la ubhekeze yini athe wayithanda akekho lento nalento yekamusha ngekama nje akekho lapho ubheke lapha kulethu ukuthi kuphi yangizwa ukuthi ngithini lento uyafika kugeza inyawo kwenza yonke into uyakusofter ama Romeos lapha bakithi lento ngisho ngama ngifuna ukuthi ke siyibuke mase ngithi abantu besifazana ake niyeke ukuba namabele aphumela ngaphandle ninothando too much stop investing kubantu besilisa akuzona ingane zenu the best umuntu wesilisa akamfuni umuntu wesifazane owazi ngesuccess yakhe ukuthi weyekuphi ukuphi manje ngenxa kaSibanibani uma wena usumsizile umuntu wesilisa uzophuma kuwena ayothola umuntu wesifazane omncane ngestandard ngezinga lempilo nokuthi ngeminyaka ozokwazi ukumrespect ngoba yena uyicardinal kunaye and then lo muntu lo wesifazane uzomlalela ngoba wamthatha esetafuleni namhlanje uhlala ku forum elokishini kade ehlala eMjondo yena ubona kuyinto enkulu kunokuthi wena umthathe elokishini wamhlala sokesabhabha umuntu uswisa akayifuni lonto leyo ufuna ngaso sonke isikhathi umuntu ongaphansi kwakhe ngokwezinga yabo ngalondle ngithi bantu besifazana ake niphume nje phuma nje lonto lokundabela abantu engabazi ukuthi ngiyakayina indeed ngiyakayina kodwa ima ngeqiniso ukuyina kwami ima ngeqiniso ngiyazi nje kwakayinelani ngikayinela ukuficelela kulezi zinto ukuthi ungisize bese ngiyaphuma kwena simple as that this is babu Dr. Bosis Bojalo mfana mhlanje akwenze nje uyabona umuntu that person that has ruined your life and now kuyo yonke lento emba sayenzile usesabisa wena ukuthi uzokubulala athi ke nakukhulunywa kanje wena ubusiza yena emva kaloko wakuxhaphaza impilo yakho and usekusabisa wena ngokukubulala ngitholela ubhushu yabo ubhushu okay celembe ngitholele wona ufake emanzini musu uthatha lo muthi kuzokunika wona ufake phakathi lo muthi asisalanga phela usalanga izibulala zizokulwana siphakathi uzogeza ngalento umbizo uthatha into ecithi emgaqweni ekuphelile uzogeza ngalento umbizo ngeke ukuthi ngafike ngikusize ngiphinde mina ngisabe wena ngoba manje sengibuza izinto ezamaqiniso kuwena usufuna ukungibulala sekufuze mina ngibalekele wena you are not going to do that ngizokushaqala this is babu Dr. Bosis Bojalo mfana mhleke ekhuluma umzulu amancisi thuru nebahle nonke goodbye.